Did you get it? Did you get it? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? A lovely day, isn't it? A lovely day, isn't it? Are you done? Are you done? How are things going? How are things going? Are you sure? Are you sure? Can I help you? Can I help you? Anything else? Anything else? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Do I have to? Do I have to? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? What did you say? What did you say? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? How do you feel? How do you feel? Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What is your job? What is your job? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? How old are you? How old are you? How are you? How are you? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? How much is it? How much is it? What do you need? What do you need? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's your name? What's your name? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Is all good? Is all good? What do you think? What do you think? What are you up to? What are you up to? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? Where are you? Where are you? Where did you get it? Where did you get it? Where are you going? Where are you going? How can I go to the town center? How can I go to the town center? What do you want? What do you want? What's your email address? What's your email address? What is going on? What is going on? Where do you live? Where do you live? When is the train leaving? When is the train leaving? Where are you from? Where are you from? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me?